Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you're always well. Today we will tell you how to make pots for plants from plastic bags. How we can easily make pots for plants from old plastic bags at home. So let's start how to prepare this plastic pot. And you will see how easily we prepare it ourselves. We don't need any special training for this, and you can do it yourself very easily. If you are new to our channel, then quickly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss the upcoming interesting video. Now your pot is ready for planting, and you can easily plant your desired plant in it. And I hope you learned how to make it. If you liked the video, please like it for encouragement and subscribe to the channel and leave your feedback in the comments. Thanks.